Dan from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block messages on your Android phone. So this is actually really easy to do. Let's go on over to messages. Now on your Samsung phone it's going to be switching over to Google Messages at some point in the future, so you're going to have the same messaging app. Now just go to the little profile picture right here and then go to spam blocked, and you can see your blocked messages, and then we go to the top right and we go to blocked numbers right here. So you can add numbers to your blocked number list as well. If you just go to this, you can go to your recents, your contacts, you can block unknown callers right there. But your spam and blocked messages should appear. Now you can go to the individual text too, and if you go to that, tap this in the top right, you can block it under here as well, block and report spam. So you can just do that under there. So if you ever want to unblock it, just go to the blocked numbers list, and there should be a little negative sign next to their name, and you can just unblock them. So just look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.